Welcome to training on the Me mobile application by Call Design. This training will cover entering segment requests such as vacation, as well as viewing the status of those requests after they've been submitted. To enter a segment request, hit the Segment Request button. This will bring you to a calendar page where you can select the date that you would like to request. When you click on a date, you'll see the balances at the bottom of the page change. These balances are your personal account balances that show you how much time you have available for vacation or other activities. Any code marked with an X is not relevant to agents and you can disregard. In this case, I've clicked on August 11th and I see I have 14 and a half hours of vacation available. If I click Next, this will bring me to the next steps of the segment request. I can click a segment type, which will give me a list of segments that I have the ability to add. In this case, I have vacation. And I can select a start and end date of the activity that I'd like to request. If I wanted to request an entire week, I could select the start date of Monday and the stop date of Friday. In this case, I will keep with the single date of August 11th. I have the ability to enter a memo. This memo can be anything that you'd like, and then hit Submit. Once the submission has been received by the Workforce Management System, you'll get the pop-up of Request Submitted and will then be evaluated by the Workforce Management System. To check on the status of your request, you can click the Request Viewer button. This will bring you to a page where you can filter down requests that you'd like to view within the system. This will show you requests that were submitted via the mobile app as well as via the eSchedule Planner application. I can filter by type of request, which will show me open requests, ones that have not been evaluated or are on a wait list, official requests, which have been evaluated and passed and made official onto the official schedule, failed requests that have been evaluated and failed rules, cancel requests that an agent has submitted but then elected to cancel, and then deferred requests, which are requests that have been submitted but are put in a deferred status for request bids. I'm going to filter all requests. I also have the ability to select a date type of creation date or effected date. Creation date would be the date that the request was created. Effected date would be the date of the request that I actually submitted for. I'm going to choose creation date, and I'm going to choose my dates of July 31st through August 6th, 7th. If I hit Retrieve Request, this will show me all requests that have been submitted during the time period. Here I can see requests that have been marked as open by the system. Either they have not yet been evaluated or they've been evaluated and placed on a wait list. Ones that have been official or any that have failed. If I want to see details about a particular request, I just click the request. It'll show me details about that request, what was submitted and when it was failed and when it was updated. If you want to see details on which rules failed or which rules passed, at this point you will have to check that in the eSchedule Planner application via Internet Explorer. You do not have the ability to cancel requests or edit the request through the mobile app at this time. If you want to cancel a request, you will need to do that through the eSchedule Planner application. Depending on types of schedule changes that have been either submitted or changed in your official schedule, you may get a notification at the top of your screen in Android or iOS Apple devices. In this case, I received a notification that my vacation request was approved that I just submitted. If I click the notification, it'll bring me back to the Me mobile app main page and view the notifications. Here I'll see a list of notifications that have been generated for me in the mobile app. Notifications are typically created by workforce management users or based on submissions that you have submitted into the mobile app workforce management system. If I'd like to see details on the notification, I just click the notification and I'll see the information. My vacation request for August 9th has been approved. If I have any questions, please contact my team leader. If you have any questions about any notifications you have received, please contact your team leader. You can go back to the main page by clicking Workforce Management and access any one of the additional modules. This has been a training on the Me mobile app, entering segment requests and viewing request status in Request Viewer, as well as accessing notifications. If you have any questions, please contact your team leader.